In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Phantom Wallet. Whether you're new to using digital wallets or just switched to Phantom, I'm here to guide you through the essential functions so you can make the most of your experience. Let's start by opening the Phantom Wallet. If you're on a computer, you'll need to add it as a browser extension. Look for the option that says Add to Extension and click on it. Once it's installed, go to your extension menu, which is usually represented by a puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar. Click on it and you'll find the Phantom Wallet listed there. Selecting it will open the wallet interface where you'll be greeted with your account details and balance. Now let's talk about receiving cryptocurrency. On the main page, you'll see an option to Receive. Click on it and a list of various cryptocurrencies you can receive will appear. This is where you can generate your wallet address for different coins to receive funds securely. Make sure to share the correct address with the sender to avoid any mishaps. Returning to the home page, if you decide you want to send crypto, the process is quite straightforward. Simply click on Send, choose the currency you wish to send, and enter the recipient's address. Double-check all details before confirming the transaction to ensure everything is correct. Back on the home page again, you'll also find options to swap cryptocurrencies. This feature allows you to exchange one type of cryptocurrency for another without the need to move your funds to an external exchange. It's a convenient way to diversify or adjust your crypto portfolio directly within the wallet. Now, if you're looking to add more funds to your wallet, you can purchase crypto right from within the app. Look to the upper left corner where you'll find the Buy option. Clicking this will present you with various ways to purchase cryptocurrency using your preferred payment method. Let's take a moment to explore the settings available in Phantom Wallet. Click on the Account menu, then navigate to Settings. Here, you have the ability to customize your experience. You can rename your accounts for easier identification, which is especially helpful if you manage multiple wallets. The Settings menu will also show you all the other options to tailor the wallet to suit your personal needs, from security settings to notifications. That wraps up our overview of using Phantom Wallet.